Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord. We're talking about that generation here from year 2008 to year 2012. If you need to find where the fuses for the blower motor fan are located, guys, also known as heater fans, stay with us. We'll explain which fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether, we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So the blower motor fan fuses, guys, where they're located, we'll demonstrate on 2010 Honda Accord. Fun fact, you have 3 different fuse boxes in your Honda Accord. Today we'll be working in 2 of them, guys. And here now, what we need to do, we need to come to the inside of that Honda Accord right here. And here, guys, we need to go to the driver's side. On the driver's side, under the dash, if you look upside down above the pedals on the left side, all the way under the dash, you're going to see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. In this fuse box, we'll need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box. If you come right here, you see the numbers printed next to the fuses. That's very convenient. We need to check fuse number 16, guys. We're talking about that fuse right here, fuse number 16. Then we need to open the hood on that Honda Accord. We're going to come under the hood in the engine bay. You have that main fuse box here. Open that cover and you will see that fuse box layout specifically right here, as you can see. This is the one right there. So here we need to check another fuse, and we're talking about fuse number 8. Talking about that fuse, okay, right here. That's fuse number 8. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.